breaking news! There's been an awful thunderstorm around this world. Today the thunderstorm is so much bloody worse than the last time's thunderstorm. Now, we are going live to Rocky, who is at the park in the storm. Thank you, Finn. Today is the worst day ever in this world. There is a huge thunderstorm taking over. Looks like everyone needs to take shelter until this goddamn thunderstorm stops. The storm was spreading all over the towns, including gardens, villages, playgrounds, farmhouses, and even schools. Sounds like someone's lost in the storm. Let's help him. Hello? Are you lost? Yes, I am. I was having lunch out there, and out of nowhere the storm roamed by, and I don't know what to do. Don't worry. What's your name? Ralph. Don't worry, Ralph, I'm pretty sure we can get you home. Thanks, TV News Raccoon. I'm Rocky. Ah! I'm with you, Ralph. There you go, Ralph. Home sweet home. And by the way, Rocky is closest to Rocket. Yes, it is closest to Rocket. 'Cause my name is similar to Rocket Raccoon. 'Cause I'm a raccoon. Yeah, and by the way, thank you for sending me home, Rocky, during this dreadful thunderstorm. Speaking of thunderstorm, it stopped. Yes, it has stopped. Okay, looks like the thunderstorm has stopped spreading. That means everyone can go outside and have fun. Well, sort of. Back to the studio with Finn. Yeah! Back to the studio with Finn. Yes, thank you, Rocky. We are so glad that the storm is over. By the way, that's all for today's news. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.